Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video we are back with another VPN app. The app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and this app will help you to enhance on your online connection when you are online. So the app is on Google Play Store. Head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. It is called XRP Tunnel Plus. XRP Tunnel Plus. And among the presented, opt for this app. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. And after installing the app on your device, simply open the app and do some settings. And as we open the app, let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel. You are highly welcomed. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection when you are online. And when you reach in the app interface, you are required to do some settings. First of all, you tap on this update button right here, and when tap on the update button, the app will start to show for the available updates. So this is done so that the app can update to the latest version and provide you with the best service when you are using it. And after that, you are required to pick a server. So you tap here, and when tap there, you will see a list of servers. And among the presented, you can pick the one you prefer, but for today's video we recommend you to pick auto select server option. This is because this app will automatically pick the best server in your location, and after picking a server, you'll be required to pick a connection method. And for today's guide, we are sharing the UDP settings. So I will recommend you to use or to pick the UDP method or the UDP mode. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online. And after picking the UDP method, you'll be able to connect to the fast and secure connection as you are using the internet. But in case UDP is not working for your country, you tap here, then you pick your country network or your country name. And after that, you are required to insert a secure connection. And to do that, you must tap on the start button and you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And that's how we set up XRP Tunnel Plus to get a fast and a secure connection when you are online. And as you can see right here, the app is connected. The app is connected, and right now our connection is secured, and that's how we add an extra layer of security, secure our connection, and also enhance on our online activities when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe on the channel for more useful content, and let's meet in the next video.